What I'm about to share with you will blow your mind, guaranteed. This young man's name is Abdul Salam. He's based in Nigeria, in Ibadan precisely. Now, Abdul Salam used to work as a carpenter, a bricklayer, and as a diligent boy, it took him about 4 years saving money to save up to 400,000 naira. He's a rich man, yeah? Unfortunately, tragedy struck. He lost his entire saving trying different online schemes. That might be your story as well. But guys, he met me after he got completely broke. But I taught him one singular skill and I showed him how to apply that skill. See, in 30 days alone, this is what he was able to make, double of what took him 4 years to gather. And just last year, he has been able to generate this much online. That's him receiving the check. So the good news is I want to share with you the exact skill that I taught him and how you can use it to build something good for yourself. Either you are in Nigeria, in Ghana, in South Africa, in Cameroon or Kenya. What should you do? Click the link below or click the learn more button or just send a DM to get access to this short video that will show you exactly what transformed Abdul Salam's life. My name is Sam Harvard and I hope you will be the next Abdul Salam. I'm waiting for you.